This video will be cleaning our granddaughter's room. She doesn't live with us, that's why there's not a bed in there, so technically it's just a playroom, but it's kind of a mess right now, so we're gonna work on getting it cleaned up. And if you see these Disney doorables, I put a link in the description. They are super cute and they take up very little room. We had these shelves in our closet and it worked pretty good for a while, but it's kind of hard to get the toys in and out. So we're actually going to take this shelving unit out and turn it back into a regular closet. Actually, she has her pillows and blankets in there, so I guess it's her Harry Potter bedroom. This window cleaner is made with essential oils. You'll find the recipe that I used in this video right here. Be sure to go check it out. During a spring clean, I always like to make sure that I wash the window sashes out really well too. The dusting spray that we're using I made in this video, and since it's not made with any harsh chemicals, I have zero problem letting our granddaughter use it. the dusting spray that I make, it's actually pretty cheap to make, which is good because as you can see, my granddaughter uses it a lot. She was working really hard on those cabinets. She even made sure she got the top side so that she could make sure her whole entire room was clean. I would just like to say that this was filmed on St. Patrick's Day. That is why we're both wearing green. We don't normally try to match and be date mates. And here we started going through the toys. So we had two bags, one that was just trash for toys that were broken, and the other was for donations. And we are going to be donating to the American Cancer Society. And if you guys ever decide to go through your house, not just toys, but just about anything, take it to the American Cancer Society. They do so much good for patients and their families. They have support groups, provide medical equipment, wigs, transportation, lodging, and have all different kind of financial programs for families that are dealing with cancer. So it's a great place to send your donations to. I'd like to suggest anytime you're going through a kid's room, make sure that you get them involved because one, not only is it good to teach them, how to get rid of things, but it's also pretty fun for them to go through their stuff and see the toys that they thought they had lost or forgot that they even had. It's like getting new toys all over again. Obviously, I had to test it to make sure it still worked. Again, remember that this was filmed on St. Patrick's Day, that we don't normally dress like date mates. Here the room is finally starting to go back together and actually look like a room again. And here it is after we got everything moved around. Looks a lot better, and it is working a lot better. She still has plenty of room, and she can actually get to her toys where she couldn't before when we had it all in the closet. So this is working much better. And those are another project that we did. And now her room is decorated for spring too.